Hi, I'm Kelsey with Peacock Family Chiropractic. Today I'm going to show you how to make our advanced plan lemon poppy seed muffins. I'm really excited about these. They have simple ingredients. So I'm going to start today with eggs, preferably getting farm raised and cage-free or free-range eggs, coconut oil, coconut flour, coconut oil, sea salt, stevia, which is a great sweetener, best found at Trader Joe's, poppy seeds, lemon, and we'll be mixing the wet ingredients and then the dry ingredients, combining them all together and putting them in the oven. So I do have silicone muffin tins, and those are great because they're non-stick and they're non-toxic. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have 6 eggs. I'm going to put a 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, almost a 1/2 teaspoon of stevia, which is about 1 dropperful of, whoops, sorry, which is about 1 dropperful of the liquid stevia, the lemon juice from 1 lemon. I'm gonna mix these together. Okay, next I'm adding a 1/2 cup of the coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of the poppy seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and the grate from 1 lemon. I'm gonna mix these together and then I will add it to our wet ingredients. Okay, so I had the lemon poppy seed muffins in for about 35 minutes at the 350 degrees, and they look really good. I'm super excited to try them. I hope you enjoy them as well.